Naiwan ni Ramram yung kanyang water jug. Ano na kaya nangyari? Ito namang grade 1. Sunduan na. Uwian na. Sakay apo ko. Ayun na. Ma'am, naiwan. Oh, did you see your water?
No.
No? Ma'am, naiwan niya yung water jug niya.
It's in my
Ah, okay. Oh, you found it. Oh. Oh, halika na. Uwi na tayo. Ram, halika na. Oh, mamayang 12:45, meron ka ulit school.
12:45.
Oo, doon ka maghihintay. There's a gate, oh. Doon ka maghihintay, ha. Doon kita susunduin, okay?
Opo.
So, how is your first day here? How is your first day schooling here with the teacher?
Infinite awesome.
What?
Awesome.
What awesome?
Awesome.
What awesome?
Oh.
Awesome! O, halika na. O. Marunong ka umuwi mag-isa? Kuya Ram? Ram! Mamaya may pasok uli siya hanggang 3:30 PM naman. Mas mahaba yung oras sa probinsya kaysa sa Manila. Makakabuti kasi mababawasan yung pagmo-mobile ni Kuya Ramram. So, Ram, you know how to get back home by yourself?
Okay, I just find the way.
You find the way.
Yeah.
You need to be aware around you. Oh, when you see Lolo Joe, what did you say to calm him? What did you say to Lolo Joe?
I'm back. I'm back.
Oh, okay, cross the road. So, may mga bata dito naglalakad, oh. Ayan, oh. Mangingitim ang Kuya Ramram ko dito. Dalawa kami mangingitim. Lolo Jo. Dito na kami sa gate. Ayun na siya. O Ram. Hello, Mina.
Lolo Joe, I'm back.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Dito na kami. Pasok. Talaga.